Arcteryx community. My name is Kelly Jones and I'm the founder of Noso Patches based in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Today, I'd like to show you an easy way to patch your Gore-Tex gear at home. Noso Patches are made of a durable nylon ripstop fabric. They are a perfect repair for Gore-Tex gear because the sticky adhesive is fully waterproof. Anyone can do it, just follow these 3 simple steps. First, clean the area with alcohol. Next, stick it on like a sticker. And finally, set the patch permanently with a little bit of heat. You can use a hair dryer for 15 to 20 seconds, or you can pop it into your conventional dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. Noso patches are so easy. They move with you because they're made of fabric and they don't gum up on the sides like tape. The most sustainable product is one that lasts. So do your best to keep products in use and out of the landfill. Thank you so much.